Go.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to teach the lesson which is taken from the SST Geography. The topic is resources for the class 8th. Now, what is a resource? Resource is any substance that has some value or utility for the mankind or for his all over environment. कोई भी चीज़ जिसकी इंसान के लिए कोई इफादियत हो, कोई वैल्यू है, कोई यूजेबिलिटी है, कोई इस्तेमाल है, उस चीज़ को हम रिसोर्स कहते हैं. तो हम डेफिनेशन के तौर पर लेते हैं एनी सब्सटेंस having some utility for mankind and for his overall environment. It is the usability or the utility which makes a substance as a resource. Now, we will take the classification of the resources. Classification. Resources have been broadly classified into the three groups. Three groups are there, three major groups of resources. Number one being the natural resource. Number two, man-made resource. And number three, human resource. Now we will take number first, natural resource. These are the resources or the substances which are directly used, which we directly get from the nature without any modification or change. कोई भी चीज़ जो हम डायरेक्टली नेचर से हासिल करते हैं और उसको इस्तेमाल करने के लिए इन्हें कोई चेंज, कोई मॉडिफिकेशन, कोई तब्दीली करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती हैं. उन सबस्टेंसेस को हम नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल के तौर हम लेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव वाटर that we use directly without any change, without any modification, for cooking, for agricultural purposes, as for industrial purposes, etc. Similarly, we have soil. It is a natural resource. We use it without any modification for the agricultural purposes, for the cultivation of the crops, fruits, etc. and other construction purposes. Similarly, we have plants and animals. Plants and animals that we directly use. The plants that we directly use as a firewood, for the furniture, for the construction work. Animals, we directly use them as a source of the meat, wool and milk, etc. These are the natural resources. So natural resources are the resources that we directly get from the environment, directly from the nature without any modification. Now second, it is man-made resource. Man-made resources are those resources or those substances which are made resourceful after some modification or change using the sickle technology of the man. Sickle or knowledge or the technology developed by the man. वो चीज़ें जो हम रिसोर्स के काबिल बनाते हैं, यूजेबिलिटी के काबिल बनाते हैं, but after only some modification. Such types of substances are called man-made resources. For example, हम लेंगे सीमेंट. Cement is a man-made resource as it is obtained from the rocks. Rocks cannot be directly used as a cement or as cementing purpose. but it is a skill and knowledge and the technology developed by the human beings which converts an ordinary rock, an ordinary substance into a more valuable, more useful substance, more useful resource, that is the cement. So the cement is a man-made resource. Similarly, we have computer, we have electricity. Electricity is a man-made resource as it is obtained from the kinetic energy of the water. So we cannot use directly the water as an electricity. So it is the technology by which the kinetic energy of the water has been changed, has been developed into the electricity. So these are the man-made resources. Now number third is human resource. Human beings are themselves as a valuable resource since it is the skill, knowledge and the technology developed by the human beings which makes a useless substance, a valueless substance into a valuable or a usable substance. So human beings are themselves a resource. For example, it is the human beings which have converted the electricity into the mechanical energy. It is the human beings which have converted the rocks into the cement. It is the skill and knowledge and technology of the human beings which have extracted the medicines from the plants, from the microorganisms. So human beings is a valuable resource. So अब हम रिकैप करते हैं अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा है. हमने लिया है टॉपिक रिसोर्सेज. रिसोर्स की डेफिनेशन मैंने पहले बताई है. कोई भी चीज़ जो हमारे लिए कोई यूटिलिटी रखता है, कोई इस्तेमाल के काबिल है, उस चीज़ को हम रिसोर्स कहते हैं. एनी सब्सटेंस हैविंग सम यूटिलिटी और यूजेबिलिटी फॉर मैनकाइंड और हिज ओवरऑल एनवायरनमेंट. इसके बाद हमने ली है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. रिसोर्सेज हैव बीन ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड इनटू द थ्री ग्रुप्स. नंबर 1 is natural resource, number 2 is man-made resource and number 3 is human resource. Natural resources are those resources which we get directly from the nature without any modification. Example के तौर हमने लिया है water, soil, plants, animals. इसके बाद हमने लिया है man-made resource. Man-made resources are those substances which are being made resourceful or being made valuable or usable after some modification by using the human knowledge or human technology. These are called man-made resources. एग्जाम्पल के तौर लिया हमने सीमेंट लिया है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है हमारे पास, कंप्यूटर है हमारे पास, पेन है हमारे पास, मोबाइल फ़ोन है हमारे पास, या आजकल का जो ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम है वो है हमारे पास. ऑल दीज आर मैन-मेड रिसोर्सेज. Then इसके बाद आया थर्ड human resource. Human beings are themselves as a valuable resource as it is a human knowledge, it is his skill and technology developed by the human beings that makes a useless substance into a useful resource. So thanks for today's lecture.